Hello everyone! Canoo, a startup from Texas, showed its new American Bulldog model. The electric pickup truck debuted in a military version, but a civilian version is expected. The Canoo electric pickup truck is prepared for serious off-road use. It is equipped with 600 horsepower unit and has a payload of 815 kilograms. The 4-door Canoo American Bulldog pickup truck has increased ground clearance, reinforced bumpers, 32-inch off-road tires, and underbody protection. The rear doors are sliding. The interior of a Canoo American Bulldog is characterized by simplicity. The electric car has a flattened steering wheel and a digital instrument cluster. Canoo American Bulldog is equipped with a 600 horsepower twin-engine rig. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to my channel.